Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today we're gonna do a bit of cleaning, a bit of cooking, and of course some Christmas decorating. If you're into that stuff, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I also want to tell you guys that today's video is in collaboration with Melissa here on YouTube.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa and I'm super excited to be doing this collaboration with this lovely lady here on YouTube. I am a mother to 3 kids and I do work full-time outside of the house. On my channel I share tons of cleaning motivation, decorating, organization, cook and clean with me videos. So if that is something you're interested in, then please be sure to check out my video and my channel after you're done watching this one, and also be sure to say hi in the comments and let me know that you're new to my channel, and I hope to see you guys there. Bye.
She is such a lovely lady. She is so wonderful. You guys are gonna love her. Honestly, love her content. It is amazing. I'll leave her channel link down below so you guys can go check out her video, and I hope you guys subscribe to her channel. Pot meal day, since it definitely feels like winter. So here's my crock pot. It is a bit beat up because I've had it for a really long time now, but it's done well. It's been doing really good to me. But this is what we're gonna need for our recipe. I'm gonna be making some white chili, a whole chicken breast cut up into pieces. So this is the first thing that I'm gonna add in here. I'm also gonna add organic corn. I mean, you can add whatever, organic or not organic corn, whatever you want. I had it defrosting a little bit, but it's not all the way. So there's a big chunk of corn still there. I have some beans over here that I cooked this morning. So these are just black beans. So I'm going to pour 2 cans worth of them into the crock pot, just to give you guys an idea of how much I'm going to add. This is how we're looking right now. I just added the beans, and I'm gonna add 2 of these ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix, just to give it some flavor, because I'm actually not going to use a lot of seasoning besides this. I'm just going to use a bit of salt and pepper. But you guys, you can actually see that the chunks of corn have melted because of the hot beans that I just poured in there. Now that both packages are in there, I'm going to dice up some tomatoes. I'm just going to dice up 2 of these tomatoes and 1 of these onions. I'm going to add some Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to be using 2 of these whole 8-ounce sticks, and also I'm going to use half of 1, and so 2.5, I guess. I'm going to cut them in 12 just to make them a bit easier to melt. Put them all in there. I dropped 2. Okay, here. And I'm going to get these 6 to put them all in here as well. And it'll look like that. And then you're just going to add your salt to taste. I'm just going to add a little bit like that, and then sprinkle some pepper. This is what I'm using. This is just crushed red peppers. This is from the Kroger brand. So I'm just going to add a little bit. It's really up to you if you want it really spicy. I'm just going to add a few little chips there. And also some ground pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle some. And again, to taste. That's pretty much it, you guys. I need to put this on high, and hopefully it is cooked by 3 o'clock by the time my husband gets home. This is how my living room is looking right now, and the reason why it's looking like this is because I always build a fort for my little girl. I'm just going to start by vacuuming my couch and giving it a good clean with my Mrs. Mayer's all-purpose pine cleaner. And yes, of course, I am going to use it in the scent pine because it just smells delicious, and I want my whole house to smell like it. So that's why I'm cleaning my couch with it. I'm gonna be vacuuming my rug in a minute, and poor Chico, did you guys see him run? Oh my goodness, I am so sorry, Chico. But anyone's dog afraid of vacuums? And why are they afraid of vacuums? You guys are gonna see me staring up, and I'm watching Elf. That's seriously my favorite movie, my favorite holiday movie. Which are your favorite holiday movies that you guys like to watch? If you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know this, but I had a huge canvas on top of my couch, and it was palm trees. It did not have anything festive about it. I went ahead and got this decor from Big Lots, and it only cost me $25. They were having a sale on it, so I really liked it, and it was big enough to fit where that huge canvas was. I'm only going to bring out 2 pillows. The smaller one with the stockings I got from Target, and the advent calendar pillow I got it from Burlington Coat Factory. And I only brought 2 out because I'm going to DIY my own pillows, and I will upload that video after this one, so you guys can stay tuned for that. They came out, so just a little hint there for you guys to come watch that video. So I thought this decor on top of my couch was a little too sparse, so I went ahead and got some of this florals from Dollar Tree and used 2 of these bottles from Target that I got in the springtime to make my own little flower arrangement, I guess, plant arrangement. And you guys, I love the way it looked. Even my husband, when he came home, he was like, wow, it looks really nice in here. So I'm guessing it looks really cute. So I couldn't get these floral arrangements to hang straight, so I ended up getting some tape and just sticking it to the wall or just taping it to the wall, and it worked fantastic. It stayed right in place. Moving along to my entertainment center, I'm going to be using this garland that I got from Dollar Tree. And you guys, this was a steal. It was 15 feet long, so I really liked it for only $1. So I just decided to put it all around my surround system, and just because it obviously looked very plain and it needed to be festive. And I went ahead and got these fairy lights from Big Lots. They had pearls in it, you guys, and I thought they were super cute. I just thought it looked very very I also picked up this lantern from Big Lots as well, and this was actually in the fall clearance section. I got it for 10 bucks just because it had a fall bow on it. I went ahead and got it off and just decided to tie a bow on it and along with on the garland. I only put up 2 stockings because that's the only ones I had from last year. I still have to go out and buy 2 more for my baby and a new one for Chico because the one from last year does not go with this theme that I'm going right now. So I got these from TJ Maxx and they're so cute, really soft and fluffy. I totally love them. They're really good quality and I'll definitely use them year after year. I'm done decorating, you guys. The chili is ready, dinner is ready. It looks delicious. It only took 4 hours to cook. I like to eat it with tortilla chips, some cheese, and some guacamole. And you guys, I also will sprinkle a bit more of chili flakes because, I mean, I love spicy food. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks, you guys. If you want to make it, go ahead. It tastes delicious. You will not regret it. And yeah, tag me if you guys make it. Tag me on Instagram or here just on YouTube. Just tell me that you made it because I'm seriously so curious to see if you guys are gonna make it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you go subscribe to Melissa's channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.